Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. My dear students, get ready with your notebook, pencil and pen. Today we are going to learn and write tables. First of all, everyone write down today's date and day. I'm waiting for you so that you can copy. Now write the heading Table of 1. TABLE Table of 1. I will repeat 2 times and wait so that you can copy it properly in your book. Before we start, let me tell you, you have to write the tables with a very good handwriting. And of course, you have to leave one line after completing one. So here we are going to start table of 1. One ones are 1. Write 1, sign of multiplication. 1 is equal to 1. 1 ones are 1. One twos are 2. 1 sign of multiplication. 2 is equal to 2. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. I'm waiting for you. I hope you all are writing. 1 fives are 5. 1. Sign of multiplication. 5 is equal to 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 6 are 6. 1. Sign of multiplication. 6 is equal to 6. 1 6 are 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 sign of multiplication. 7 is equal to 7. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 sign of multiplication. 8 is equal to 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 sign of multiplication. 9 is equal to 9. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. 1 sign of multiplication. 10 is equal to 10. 1 10s are 10. Now all of you repeat with me. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. Now leave one line and then write. Sorry, here we have completed almost table of 1. If you are having sufficient place on the same page, you can write the next table just beside table of 1. If you are not having sufficient space, then write down on a new page. Write the heading TABLE table of 2. Table of 2. Now leave one line and then start writing. 2 ones are 2. 2 sign of multiplication. 1 is equal to 2. Is everyone writing with me? Very good. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 sign of multiplication. 2 is equal to 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 sign of multiplication. 3 is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. Leave one line and then write. 2 fours are 8. 2 sign of multiplication. 4 is equal to 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sign of multiplication. 5 is equal to 10. 2 fives are 10. Leave one line and then write. 2 6 are 12. 2 sign of multiplication. 6 is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12. Leave one line and then write. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sign of multiplication. 7 is equal to 14. 2 sevens are 14. 8s are 16. 2. Sign of multiplication. 8 is equal to 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 sign of multiplication. 9 is equal to 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 sign of multiplication. 1 0 10 is equal to 2 0 20. 2 10s are 20. Now I am going to revise the whole table once again. You all have to repeat after me. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Now on a new page, write the heading TABLE table of 3. Table of 3. Leave one line and then write. Three 1s are 3. 3 sign of multiplication. 1 is equal to 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 sign of multiplication. 2 is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6. Leave one line and then write 3 3s are 9. 3 sign of multiplication. 3 is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 sign of multiplication. 4 is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 sign of multiplication. 5 is equal to 15. I hope everyone is writing with me. First, we have completed table of 1, then table of 2. Till now, we have completed half table of 3. Leave one line and then write 3 6 are 18. 3 sign of multiplication. 6 is equal to 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 sign of multiplication. 7 is equal to 21. 3 7s are 21. Leave one line and then write 3 8s are 24. 3 sign of multiplication. 8 is equal to 24. 3 8s are 24. Leave one line and then write 3 9s are 27. 3. Sign of multiplication. 9 is equal to 27. 3 9s are 27. Leave one line and then write. 3 10s are 30. 3 sign of multiplication. 1 0 10 is equal to 3 0 30. 3 10s are 30. Now I am going to recite the whole table once again, and you all have to repeat after me. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. I hope you all have completed tables 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. In next lecture, we will start from table of 4. Till now, you all have to read and write table of 1, 2 and 3 2 times from your notebook. So everyone at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.